What if I told you that right now in 2026, there are people making $500, $2,000, even $5,000 a month using tools they downloaded for completely free? No coding skills, no degree, no big investment. I'm going to show you the exact 7 AI tools that are turning everyday people into income earners. And I'm going to tell you how you can get certified in them too for free. Stick around because tool number 4 is the one most people sleep on, and it's printing money for creators right now. Let's get into it. First up, the king of them all, ChatGPT OpenAI's free tier now includes GPT-4o. Yes, the powerful model, free, and people are using it to write blog posts, sales copy, email sequences, and entire YouTube scripts, just like this one. On Fiverr and Upwork, a pack of 10 blog articles sells for anywhere between $300 and $800. With ChatGPT, a good freelancer can produce that pack in a single afternoon. How to make money, freelance content writing on Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, create and sell social media content packages, write product descriptions for e-commerce stores, build and sell custom GPT chatbots to businesses, free certification. OpenAI just launched the OpenAI Academy and announced ChatGPT certifications, piloting in early 2026, covering prompt engineering to AI-enabled work. It's completely free at academy.openai.com. Also, Vanderbilt University offers a free ChatGPT course on Coursera with a shareable certificate. Search ChatGPT prompt engineering on Coursera and audit it for free. Tool number 2 is Claude, and honestly, this one is underrated. Anthropic's Claude free tier just got a massive upgrade in February 2026. They added file creation, think Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and PDF, projects, and app connectors, all free. And unlike ChatGPT, Claude has 0 ads on the free tier. Claude is known for producing cleaner, more polished long-form writing. Think white papers, business reports, high-end sales copy, and technical documentation, the stuff corporate clients pay premium rates for. How to make money? Write white papers and B2B reports, $150 to $500 per report. Offer monthly research subscription packages to executives. Create long-form content for premium niches like finance, legal, and healthcare free certification. Coursera has a free course, Prompt Engineering with Claude, where you can learn Claude-specific techniques and earn a certificate. Anthropic also regularly updates documentation at docs.anthropic.com. Tool number 3, Canva's free AI suite called Magic Studio. Canva just acquired the entire Affinity Professional Design Suite. That's a tool that used to cost $70 and made it free for all Canva users. With Magic Studio, you get AI image generation, background removal, text to design, and brand kit tools, all in the free tier. Social media template packages sell to small businesses for $200 to $800 per package. And since Canva makes delivery fast and repeatable, you can scale this quickly. How to make money? Sell social media template kits on Etsy or Fiverr, design logos, brand kits, and business cards for clients. Create Canva template shops. People make passive income this way. Offer monthly social media management to local businesses. Free certification. Canva offers the Canva Design School with free courses and badges at designschool.canva.com. And Coursera's Create T-shirt Designs Using Canva AI is a free auditable course that teaches commercial-grade design. Tool 4. This is the one I promised you. ElevenLabs. Free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month. That's enough to produce voiceovers that are, I promise you, indistinguishable from a real human narrator. On Fiverr, voiceover artists charge $50 to $300 per project. But here's the real money, audiobooks. Amazon's ACX platform pays royalties on every audiobook sold. You narrate a book using ElevenLabs without ever recording your own voice, and it earns passive royalties for years. How to make money? Sell voiceover services on Fiverr and Voice123 narrate audiobooks through ACX, Amazon's audiobook platform. Create podcast intros and YouTube channel intros. Produce explainer video narration for businesses. Free certification. ElevenLabs itself doesn't yet offer a formal certificate, but NVIDIA's Deep Learning Institute offers a free generative AI explained certification that covers AI voice and content generation. Also check out the AI for Everyone certificate by DeepLearning.AI on Coursera, free to audit. Tool number 5, Google notebooklm. And this one is wild. notebooklm is completely free. You can upload PDFs, websites, audio files, anything, and it creates a personalized AI research expert on that data alone. But here's the killer feature, audio overview. It turns your source material into a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts. You upload a dry 40-page research report, and out comes a polished, engaging audio summary. Executives and marketing teams pay $150 to $500 per research report. And with notebooklm, you can produce these in under an hour. How to make money, sell AI-generated research reports and market analyses, offer AI research as a service. Subscriptions, create and sell podcast episodes or audio summaries. Help lawyers, consultants, and academics summarize documents. Free certification. Google just launched the Google AI Professional Certificate on Coursera, and it covers notebooklm, Gemini, and Google Workspace AI tools. It's free to audit, and Google is currently offering it completely free for small businesses in the US. Tool number 6, Leonardo.AI. Free users get 150 credits per day. That's 30 to 50 commercial-grade images every single day for free. Etsy sellers are making over $2,000 per month selling AI printables. That's wall art, digital downloads, greeting cards, and planners, all generated with tools like Leonardo. You can also submit images to Adobe Stock and Shutterstock as a contributor and earn royalties every time your image is downloaded. How to make money, sell digital art and printables on Etsy, submit to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock for royalties, create book covers for indie authors on Reedsy and Fiverr Design, brand identity packages for small businesses. Free certification. The Google AI Professional Certificate covers image generation with Gemini. For Leonardo specifically, check out AI image generation courses on Coursera and LinkedIn Learning. Both offer free audit options. And the final tool, and this is the highest earning opportunity on the list, N8N. N8N is a free open source automation platform that connects 500 plus apps using AI. With N8N, you can build automated workflows for businesses, automated email follow-ups, AI-powered lead qualification, data entry automation, the kind of things that save small businesses 20 to 25 hours per week. Businesses will pay $500 to $2,500 to set up these automations, and if you offer a monthly maintenance retainer, you're building recurring income. How to make money, build and sell AI automations for businesses on Fiverr and Upwork. Offer monthly retainer packages for automation maintenance, build internal tools for companies using N8N plus AI, create and sell N8N workflow templates. Free certification. N8N has its own free course platform at n8n.io/courses, covering beginner to advanced automation. For broader automation skills, check out RPA and automation courses on Coursera, and IBM offers a free AI Workflow Certificate through their skills network. So let's recap these 7 free AI tools making people real money in 2026. ChatGPT, content and freelancing. Claude, premium writing and corporate reports. Canva AI, design and templates. ElevenLabs, voiceovers and audiobooks. notebooklm, AI research services. Leonardo.AI, digital art and stock images. N8N, AI automation for businesses. Now here's my advice. Don't try all 7 at once. Pick one tool that matches your existing skills, spend 2 days building 3 to 5 work samples, and post your first gig on Fiverr. Most people who actually follow through land their first paying client within a week. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I'm putting out a full tutorial on N8N automation next week that you don't want to miss. And comment below, which tool are you starting with?